Hey artists, today you're going to get back your landscape that we drew last time. If you aren't this far, you need to get that done first. Off the supply table, you're going to need to get a messy paper. You're going to need 2 different size brushes, and you're going to need some watercolors. Okay, and I would start off painting your road first, so we're going to be using black for that. So I'm going to get my brush nice and wet. You can't see my water bowl, but that's what I'm doing. Get a little bit of black on my paintbrush. I'm going to carefully paint this in. Stay in the lines. Okay, if you run out, make sure to get a little bit more water on your brush and get some paint. Try not to drip on your work. Now I'm using my big brush right now, but as I get down here towards the skinny spot, I'm probably going to switch to my skinny brush. So I'm being smart. Don't want to use my big, thick brush in that area. Just going to carefully paint that. It gets real small up here. Okay, kind of like that. Right. Next, we are going to be painting in your parts of your land. You could probably use really any color you want. We saw that David Hockney likes to use some bright colors. I'm going to avoid painting right next to my road to start with because I want that to kind of soak in a little bit. So I might paint some of these sections that aren't going to touch my road. Make sure to use the toes of your brush. Careful not to drip. Messy paper's underneath it. Maybe I'll do some spots up here towards the top. And because I just painted this section, I'm not going to paint these quite yet. I want that to kind of soak in, like I said. I don't want things to accidentally get sucked together. Do yellow in here. And just going to continue working on filling up my landscape. Okay, I'm not going to do the sky right now though. Once you have your whole landscape painted, okay, and if you have time, you can come back in with some more colors and actually do some paint mixing if you'd like. Now be smart, think about what colors will mix. Okay, so maybe this green one, I could mix some yellow with it. I might get a yellowish green. I could mix some blue with it. I might get a bluish green. I think I'm going to do some blue with it. So I'm going to get a little bit of blue on my brush. And come back and I'm just going to carefully paint a layer of blue on top. If you're not sure which colors mix, ask me. Or you can think about the rainbow. A safe bet is if 2 colors touch each other on the rainbow, they will mix. So I know that blue and green are next to each other on the rainbow. I probably don't want to do that to everyone. Okay, but I can do it to a few of them. So maybe I'll do some and some orange right here maybe. Give me kind of that red orange. This is going to give my artwork a little bit more variety to it, so the colors aren't all quite the same. Go ahead and do a little bit of purple up here. When you are all done painting, these are going to go in the drying rack on top of your messy paper. Now remember to, if you haven't finished drawing, you got to do that first. Then you are painting the whole thing using the rainbow colors. We're not going to use black or brown, except you can use black on your road. And then if you have time, you're welcome to come in and layer a few extra colors on top of that. When you're done, be sure to clean up your spot. Paint trays, we are going to leave open. I want you to set them on the back counter so that way they can dry out for me.